In terms of proactive security detection, does AI play a role?
Right. So proactive security detection just essentially means having the right automated security testing in place throughout your application development lifecycle. Right? So what happens usually is that there are companies, for example, SNCC, right, that allows you to continuously scan your static source code, find out vulnerabilities, and then automatically suggest you the solutions as well that you can implement to get rid of that vulnerability, right? So there are a bunch of rules that all of these things are matched against, right? So whether it's static code analysis or dynamic code analysis or runtime code analysis, all of these things are essentially a set of rules that they see a state, then they compare it with a set of rules saying that is there a difference between what I expect and what is out there, right? And that at that part, of course, there are AI models that can come into picture to predict based on that. Okay, this is based on this particular vulnerability. This is the breach that can happen. So how to contextualize this whole security problem is a vast domain, right? And that is where AI also plays a role in there as well.
Okay.